How to pay your bill without signing in using Synchrony Pay as guest option. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. Today we are providing you with a step-by-step guide for that on paying your Synchrony credit card bill without signing in. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So we can go to synchrony.com first of all, and once we are here we can go for the Pay as guest option. Otherwise we can directly search for Pay as guest for Synchrony. So go ahead and search for Synchrony Pay as guest and hit enter and click on the first link that appears. Once we click on this option, this site opens up. Now we can click on this option called make a payment and proceed with the process. So here we need to enter our account details typically. These are some of the information required. First of all, so provide in your card number or your account number and then the last 4 digits of your social security number. After that is done, you need to provide in the billing zip code, the one associated with the card. Once it is done, you just need to click on this option called Find Account, and you need to provide, enter up your payment info. You can provide in your bank account or your routing number for ACH transfer, or you can use a debit or credit card to pay. Once it is done, you can review up the payment and go ahead and submit the payment. You can save or screenshot the confirmation number of the receipt, but usually this is how you do it. Guest payments are one-time payments only, and recurring payments require login. Make sure that your bank account has enough funds and you can use a secure device and network while doing so. And that's it everybody. For now you can follow this method. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.